Remember, your story is extraordinary. Discover your power, pursue your passions, and shape your life as you desire. Your potential is limitless. You just need to believe and take action. Today, take a step towards success. Envision your goals vividly in your eyes and take courageous steps forward. The world is waiting for you. A wonderful life and boundless potential will meet you. Believe, have faith, and follow your dreams. May the light be with you. When the day breaks, the doors of life open once again. As we start each new day, we feel a gentle morning breeze within us. This breeze comes filtered from sleepless nights, insurmountable obstacles, and dust of hopelessness. When it combines with the energy of the day, it takes us to the door of that great potential that awaits us. Yes, there is immense potential within us. We are created to shine like a star, to set sail in a sea of hope, and to soar with wings outstretched toward success. The obstacles we encounter on our path are our wisdom teachers. They strengthen us as we overcome them, bringing us closer to our goals. Our goals are the reflections of our dreams. To achieve them is to take bold steps. Remember that your greatest enemy is the weakness in your self-belief. Break free from the limitations you set for yourself and unleash your mind and heart. The secret to success on your journey is perseverance and passion. Boost your motivation with every step. Failure should be seen not as a defeat, but as an opportunity for learning. Rise stronger after each fall. Build your ideas on sturdy foundations and share them in a way that illuminates hearts. Success is not just one moment. When you reach the summit, what truly matters is the lessons learned, the growth achieved throughout the journey. Embrace each challenge, celebrate small victories, and never give up on your dreams. What truly matters is how you impact others on your path to success. A touch, a smile, understanding. The mark you leave on people's hearts is a real legacy. Create real change in the hearts of others. Inspire them and instill hope. The world becomes more beautiful through genuine love and